And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a sliced text effect in Illustrator. This is just one way to do it. There are always various ways in Illustrator to achieve the same results. Let us type in some text with the type tool. I'll use very bold, the bold version. As a font, then right click and create outlines. Hold Alt and create a copy. I'll position the first one at the top, the second one at the bottom, and I'll make sure that they are centered properly. And then I'll use the rectangle tool. I'll make it red for you to see. I'll go to the center position and then I'll resize it. So I've got the top one covered. I'll hold Alt to drag a copy out of it, and I'll go to the center position and get the bottom one covered. Now I'll select it all and I use the shape builder tool, hold Alt to get rid of these shapes at the top. I'll select it all at the bottom. Once more hold Alt with the shape builder tool and I get rid of the bottom shapes. And now I can simply reposition the bottom one on top of the top one and select only the top half and use the arrow keys to move it to the left or to the right. Let me rotate it slightly. Maybe that was too much. I can go in the other direction as well. Once more, I'll rotate it. You can give it different colors, resize it, hold Shift and Alt when you do so. And this is how you can recreate this basic sliced text effect in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.